Recently, my son requested a custom truss rod cover for his Kramer electric guitar. The new custom cover was designed on Tinker CAD and prepared for printing using Lychee Slicer. I then 3D printed the new cover on an Elegoo Saturn Resin Printer using a 50-50 mix of Siraya Tough White and Siraya Flex Clear resin. I cleaned the excess resin off with Iso-Propyl Alcohol and let it dry. It was cured in a UV station for 2 minutes, just to harden the outer surface. It was lightly sanded with a light grit sandpaper to flatten the face of the cover. The cover was masked off around the letters. 3 light coats of black gloss paint were sprayed into the letters and are allowed to dry. The cover was sanded to remove the black overspray, rinsed in water and allowed to dry. I then masked off everything but the channel and sprayed it with a coat clear sealer to create a sticky surface. Fine gold glitter was dropped into a shallow channel and the cover was gently tapped to remove excess glitter. The mask and tape was removed and the cover was sprayed over with a coat of clear sealer to lock the glitter into place. It was set aside to dry. The whole cover was sprayed over with 2 additional coats of clear sealer, allowing each coat to dry before applying another. The guitar was prepped by masking off the area to protect the guitar from damage or scratches. The original truss rod cover was screwed into place and its shape was traced onto the masking tape and the old cover was removed. The 3 screw holes were carefully drilled out just enough to superglue and countersink in one set of 3 small round magnets. A second set of 3 small magnets were set into place. Superglue and quick drying spray applied to the tops and the new custom truss cover was pressed into place. Once dry, the new custom truss rod cover could be easily removed and replaced, smoothly clicking back into place with the magic of magnets. It should be noted that there are drying times required for the resin, alcohol, clear sealer, black spray paint and super glue. None of this happened in 2 minutes. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching.